Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to blur face in a video. To know that, we will visit our Filmora software, and now I'm going to import one video. So let me take one video of any face. Okay, I will take this one. So no matter whether it is having green screen or other screen, just I'm showing for demo purpose only. Suppose this is the video. Now I will play it. Okay, so you can see the face easily. Yes, easily you can recognize. So now I'm going to blur this face. So what's or how you can do that? So you have to visit effects, and then you go to utility, and under utility you will find face off. Yes, so just drag it here. Now you will see the two faces. One is blur face and one is non-blur face. Now play this. So okay, this is the magic of blurring face. So if you want to blur all the face here, you just drag it in this way. Okay. So in simple way you can blur the face. So if you want to hide password, ID, email ID, that part I will show you in the next lesson. So for this lesson this is enough. Then how you can do, just get the video here, drag face off from FX utility and just above the video. That's it. Now you can export your video. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Hope you like it. Meet you in the next lesson. Bye bye.